Hi guys, Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to verify your identity on Facebook. If you are the type that run ads on Facebook, you will understand the importance of Facebook identity verification. And if your ad has been banned or restricted, you also understand what I'm talking about, okay? And if you've tried to verify your identity before and it's probably got rejected, it wasn't accepted, that's because you probably didn't do it the right way. So in this video, I am going to be showing you the right way to verify your identity and get it verified. All right, so to do this, you will need either of these three. You will need a national ID, international passport, or a driving license. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a national ID card to show you the right way to verify your identity on Facebook. Now, before we dive into it, one thing I'll let you to understand is that to do this, you will need a normal Facebook. I'm talking about the normal, I'm not talking about the Facebook Lite right now. You'll be using the normal Facebook. Let me show you. This is what you're going to be using. Okay, so you'll be using the normal Facebook. This is the normal Facebook. All right. So I'm not talking about this one here now. I'm not talking about this one here. No, that is not what you're going to be using. So you are going to be using the normal Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to showing you how to verify your identity on Facebook. So to verify your identity, you click on the Facebook app, you open your Facebook account. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a friend's account because I've already done mine. So I'll be using this account to show you how you can do yours. All right, so once you get here, you want to click on this three dotted line up here. All right, click on it, and then you go down to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and then you click on settings again. You click on settings again, and then here you see personal and account information. Here's personal account information. You click on it, and then you take it to where you see identity confirmation. Identity confirmation. Just watch me as I do what I'm doing and pay attention, okay? So you click on it, and it's saying confirm your identity. Click on confirm your identity. So it's going to show you running ads about social media, election, or politics, or protecting your account. It's asking you what you're confirming your identity for. So you click on this running ads about social issue. Just click on this one. All right, so when you click on it, it's going to ask you to help us confirm your identity. Okay, choose country. So let's select our country. I'm in Nigeria, so you select whichever country you are. All right, so let's select Nigeria, and then we are going to click on okay, secure your account before to confirm. You have to turn on. Okay, he's saying here that we must have to turn on our two authentication factors. Those are the numbers that Facebook will give you whenever you want to log into your account. They are called the code. All right, this helps your Facebook become more secure and more stronger. So before you can confirm your identity, you have to turn on that two authentication factor. Okay, let's just click on next and see. So here it says, are you sure you need to confirm your identity? So you click on yes, continue. So just watch me as I do what I do. And then it said, help protect your account. Select a security method, authentication app, text messages. So I will advise to select text message, so that anytime you want to log into your phone, the code will be sent to your text message. And even anytime someone else wants to log into your account, not your phone, anytime someone else wants to log into your account, probably without your consent, Facebook is going to notify you, sending you that code to ensure that you are the one, to ensure that someone else is not trying to log into your account but you. All right, so this is also very, very important. So when you click on text message, you click on continue, and then you say select phone number. If you want to add another phone number, you add. If you don't want to add, you might leave the one that is there. This is not my Facebook, so I'm not going to confirm. So let's say you want to add, so you just click on add and click on continue. And if you don't want to add, you use the number that is there, you click on continue. So they said a 6-digit code has been sent. Oh my goodness, this 6-digit code has been sent to this number. Okay, so I'm going to get it and do all that later. All right, so once you do your own like this, once you get the code, you input it here. Once you input it here, you click on what? Continue. So once you click on continue like that, it is not going to take you to where you verify your identity, which is going to be asking you, are you using a national ID or a voter's card? No, I'm not sure if voter's card, international passport or a driving license. So you're going to select the option that said national ID. All right, when you click on the option that said national ID, it is going to take you to where you either snap or you upload it. So if you snapped it already, you can click on upload to upload it. But if you have it with you, my advice is that you place it on a black surface and make sure you position it where whenever you're snapping it. Okay, make sure the 4 angles are appearing and make sure it is clear. So once you snap it, if it's not clear, it will show you, do you want to snap again or do you want to save that one? If it is not clear, snap it again and make sure it is clear. Make sure the 4 angles are appearing and make sure that everything that is in that card appears. All right, and one more important thing, please make sure that the name on your card, the name on your card is the same with the name on your Facebook. If you're the type that uses your nickname or whatever name it is you're using on Facebook, if it's not matching with that on your card, it will be rejected. So don't even make that mistake. So number one, the date of birth and everything must correspond to your Facebook profile. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So once you snap it like that, make sure everything is clear and then you click on send. All right, they are going to give you a notification letting you know that they will get back to you once they have reviewed your national ID. All right, so this actually works. I did mine and in 24 hours it was approved. In 24 hours it was approved. So just follow this process. Do it step by step as I've shown you. Okay, do it step by step, and then if it works for you, come back to the comment section and let me know. Tell me, okay, I did what you asked me. I followed your method and it works. All right, so I just hope you got value. I just hope this was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for coming through. See you in another video. Peace.